Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Rolling the energy ball is a very important, effective Qigong practice. It helps the body balance the energy, clear blockages, to live healthier. Now let's get started. Begin standing, feet hip width or shoulder width. Relax the shoulders, slightly bend into the knees. Begin to shake. Shake loose. Shake any way you like. Knees are slightly bent, moving the knees up and down. Try to aim the knees towards the second toes if you have knee issues. This warm up the body, loosens all the joints, from our ankle joints, our knee joints, our hips, shoulders, elbows, and wrists. Bring up that beautiful smile. This is the quickest way to release stress in the body. Now turn sideways. Other side. When you engage in movements like this, you can't help to feel happy. Move the arms even higher. If you notice any tension in the shoulders or your neck, as you breathe out, let go of the tension. Let's do this together. Inhale through the nose, open mouth, exhale, sigh it out. Release those turbid qi. Lower the arms, but continue to shake to your side. Make the movement smaller and faster. Even faster. And come back to center. Notice the sensations in your hands. Feeling the energy between your palms. Energy expands as you breathe in. Energy condenses as you breathe out. Elbows are guiding the movement. Follow the rhythm of your breath. Feeling the energy within your hands. Notice the tingling sensation throughout your body. Your qi is getting activated. And bring the hands slightly closer as if you're holding a ball, maybe the size of a volleyball. And begin to roll the ball from top to bottom, bottom to top. Palms are facing each other. You may open your eyes to see the energy ball. Then close your eyes. Continue to roll the ball. You see your energy is in the ball. You get balanced, renewed. Feel from head to toe, all of your energy are being purified. All blockages are gone. You are completely healed. Completely healed. Slowly rolling the ball. Palms are facing each other. Fingers are open. If you can think of anyone who can benefit from this practice, invite their energy into the ball. See their energy get balanced, renewed, completely healed, completely healed. Feel the tingling sensation between your hands. And throughout your body. The body and the mind are combined together with the universe. You might continue this healing movement for another minute or another 10 minutes. Visualize healing energy from the center of the universe flows into your body through every pore of your skin and gather in your lower dantian. Bring your hands facing each other. Squeeze the energy ball. Strong energy between your hands. And bring your hands to your lower dantian. That is about 4 fingers down from your navel. For female, left hand is the dominant hand, left over right. For male, right hand is the dominant hand, right over left. Gently massage over your lower dantian, clockwise. Feel how wonderful you feel and how wonderful you are. Friends, I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Let me know how it went for you. Leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.